Hi, this is Sayantani. Welcome to my class. Welcome to another video of this class. In this video, I am going to discuss about three important question or previous year's question from this chapter. I already discussed this chapter. If you haven't watched that video, go the description box and get the links and watch that video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, we will discuss the previous year's question. Then we will discuss some important and expected question from this chapter. Okay, what is the first question? First question is the compare the extent and area of China with India. You have to compare the area of China, area and extension. Extension means your latitude and longitude. Okay. This your India and this one your China. Okay, if you see this picture, you can definitely identify that China is larger than India in terms of area, in terms of your latitudes and longitude. From this chart we can get to know about the latitudinal longitudinal extension as well as your area of India and China. What are the latitudinal extension of China? Latitudinal extension is your 18 degree north to 54 degree north latitude. In case of our India, it's 8 degree 4 minute north, which is your Kanyakumari, and in 37 degree 6 minute north, which is your the northernmost point, that is your India Col. Okay, and what are the longitudinal extension? In case of our in China, 74 degree east latitude longitude to 134 degree east longitude, and in case of India, 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, and if you see this picture, see, you can identify that China is larger in size than India. So what are the area of China is 95.97 lakh square kilometer. In case of India, it is 32.87 lakh square kilometer. China is 3 times larger than India in terms of area. And this question came in 2007. Next, mention one similarities and dissimilarities between India and Australia with respect to their extension, means your latitude, longitude and the area. Okay. Australia is a continent which lies completely in the southern hemisphere. Okay, and India is located completely in the northern hemisphere. And what are the similarities between India and Australia? Australia is divided into two parts by Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, and India, which is divided or which is equally split into two parts by Tropic of Cancer. And what are the dissimilarities? The dissimilarities is definitely is your area, your latitude, longitude. You know the latitude and longitude of our India. You have to know the Australia. You have to memorize the Australia's latitudes and longitude. What is the longitude of Australia? That is your latitude of Australia. That is your 114 degree east to 154 degree east, which is 40 degree more than India. Okay, and in case of area, India's area is your only 32.87. In case of Australia, it is your 77 point something lakh square kilometer. Okay, This question came into 2008. Next question. Now give two reason to explain why India is called subcontinent. See, this is our map of our India. This question is very important because this question came in 3 times, that is your 10, 14 and 2018 respectively. And in why India is called subcontinent? Because of its vast size from north through south, east to west. Is vast size first. Next is diversity. India's diversity, like your third desert is here, the Himalaya is here, then the northern plain, peninsular India, the island area, the monsoonal climatic condition, and heavy rains is during monsoon. This makes India as a subcontinent. Next question, state the latitude and longitudinal extension of our India. This question came twice, that 2014 and 16. India lies in the northern hemisphere, and with respect to the latitude, in their latitude and longitude is, you have to memorize the latitude and longitude. 8 degree 4 minute north, which is your Kanyakumari. This one is the southernmost point of mainland of our India. Actually, the 6 degree 45 minute north, this is the southernmost point of our India, which is your Indira point. And 2004, due to tsunami, it got submerged. That's why we consider Kanyakumari as the southernmost tip of our India. And 37 degrees 6 minute north, which is your northernmost point, that is your Indira Col. And the westmost point, which is your 60 degrees 7 minute east, that is your longitude, which is the westernmost point, that is your Ranap Kutch, and it extended up to 97 degree to 5 minute east, that is your Kithubi in Arunachal Pradesh, that is the easternmost point of our India. Next, what mention the land area of Australia and India in kilometer. In term of kilometer, you have to memorize it as a lakh square kilometer. You have to memorize it as a million square kilometer. Okay, and it is you have to express this as kilometer. Okay, so India's is your 32.87. In case of your Australia, that is your 77.86 square kilometer. Okay. Next, although the time of sunrise varies between Arunachal Pradesh and New Delhi, what show same times? Explain why. This question came in 2013. First, you pause that video and try to answer by own, and you can write down this answer in the comment box before watching this part. Okay, so now I am explaining this, that the time of sunrise varies between Arunachal Pradesh and New Delhi by 72 minutes, means 1 hour 12 minutes. Why is this happen? Because it lies to the east with the difference about 18 degree of longitude, but the watch show the same time because all places of India follow the same time that's recorded in Allahabad, UP, that is your 82 degree 5 minute or 30 minute east, which is considered as the Indian Standard Meridian. That's why watch show the same time in the all place of our India. Why we consider 82 degree 30 minute as a standard meridian? Because there are different local time zone are there in our India. That's why to avoid confusion in the time in entire country, we consider 82 degree 30 minutes as a standard meridian. Name the countries with which India share the longest land boundary. Here is the chart. You can see that the India share land boundary 4096.7 km with Bangladesh, and this is the longest among all the neighboring countries. Next is followed by Bangladesh. China is the second position, that is your 3488, and least boundary share with Afghanistan, that is 106 km. Okay, next question. India's position in the Indian Ocean is paramount. Give two reasons to justify the given statement. Okay, what will be the answer? Answer will be the Indian Ocean is the only ocean in the world which has been named after a country like India. And this is the biggest proof of prominence enjoyed by India in early days when oceans was given their name. Today, India's position in Indian Ocean is paramount, as India stands the head of the Indian Ocean at the very center of the Eastern Hemisphere. India commands the important strategic position of the globe with respect of trade as well as your social cultural interaction. And also one more point that makes it paramount, that culturally and economically India had major contact with the outside the world with at least 2 million via Indian Ocean. That's why it considered as a paramount. Next question, name one country each which forms as a frontier with the India. That is your Nepal, and west that is your Pakistan. This question came in 2017. Okay. With reference to the extent of India, write the angular value of the point marked by A, B, C, D in the given map. Okay. A is here, B is here, this one is your D, and C is here. Okay. So this one is your westernmost point. So you have to write down the western longitude, which is your 68 degrees 7 minutes east. B is your standard meridian, which passes through the Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, that is your 82 degree 30 minutes east. Next one is your eastern latitude, C, eastern latitude, which is your 97 degree to 5 minutes. Next one is your Tropic of Cancer, which divided our India into two equal parts. Thank you for watching. In next class we will discuss some expected question from this chapter. Till that, tata.